What's going on, family? It's your boy Black Feniks coming to you this morning. I wanted to do some numbers with you. I think people don't write enough these days, so I kind of wanted to write a few things out to show you what you are doing when you overfinance a vehicle, or thinking that you got a great deal on a vehicle when really they are screwing you. And in my personal opinion, it is better to buy cash cars, cash vehicles to save your money, and then go purchase what you want, instead of doing all this financing, because you got too many fees. You got insurance, you got taxes, you got a lot of stuff, and a lot of times we get caught up thinking we got a good deal. So I wanted to talk about if you had a limit at $500, and say you was wanting to purchase this $30,000 vehicle, and they say, all right, we'll give you this vehicle $500 a month, and then you got your insurance. You got your insurance at $125, so that's $625. And whatever city or state you're in, you got your taxes and your fees, your percentages. So that could vary. So on a $30,000 vehicle, whatever your taxes might be, 5%, 9%, 7%, whatever that is. So say if it was $30,000, so $30,000, 48 months, that's what it'll take to pay off $30,000. Now, normally when they come and hit you with these rates, you seeing things like 60, they even got 84 now, and 72 is in there too. But I didn't put numbers for that, but this is another common one that people get, 72. So, but I just wanted to put 60 and 84. So if you got this vehicle at 60 months, you're spending $37,500. Now, that's without coming down here and say, okay, you got your insurance. You're going to spend $7,750. Plus your gas and your maintenance and your other fees. So your $30,000 vehicle then already went up to over $40,000 before you pay it off. And you still maintain it and putting gas in it and doing all these extra things. And if you want it to look good, you might tint the windows, you might put some rims on it, and all this stuff you're doing to it while you still paying on it. And then say if you say, oh man, I need to get a longer, so if the number was a big number up here, and they say, hey, we can get it down to 5, but you got to take this 84 months. So now this is what you're paying for the vehicle before your taxes. Now look at this, $10,000. That's just on your insurance.